Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something I haven't done in a really long time, which is a haul video. I don't usually do hauls because I don't really be shopping like that. But I recently did a whole kind of wardrobe clear out and I figured I would get some new pieces to go in. So I actually already recorded this, but I wasn't too happy with the quality, so I might put some of those clips in, but I'm not too sure. But I basically picked up some pieces from Zara, ARKET, and Mango. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is going to be like try on haul, so I will be using a voiceover to talk through some of the outfits, but this is one of my favorite pieces from everything that I bought. I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know which ones you like the most, comment below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, so let's jump right into this haul. And guys, let me tell you, these jeans were giving me everything. They were giving me everything they said it was gonna give, honey, because wow. I actually don't think that I have bought a pair of jeans in the last 5 years that fit me as well as these Zara jeans. And this is not stretch, it's not skinny, it's none of that. This was like proper jeans, guys. And I tell you, look at the joy on my face. Okay, honey, I was feeling myself. And the waist fits so perfectly. Like, I just couldn't believe it. I was just on cloud nine. This top is also from Zara. I absolutely love the color, but the thing that won me over is the actual material. It's this really soft kind of like velvety feel. It's not velvet though. This next piece is actually from ARKET, and it is a tailored linen pants. I absolutely love it. As you can see, this one also fit really well. I just have a thing for like summer neutrals. I was just going for like, vacation yacht type vibes, even though that is not my reality right now. And it also came with, well, it didn't come with, but there's a matching shirt which I also picked up, and it's an oversized shirt. I bought the shirt in a size 8 and I bought the pants in a size 10, and my previous Zara pieces were both in 10/mediums. I was just feeling this whole set, guys. There's nothing I love more than a two-piece, and this two-piece was just really giving me like rich auntie. Africans love a bit of linen in the summer, and whoop, here we go, sweetie. This was the dress that did it for me. Guys, this was the dress that was doing it for me. If you can't tell, I was really like feeling myself. I was like, okay, 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 here she go, swing, swing. I love it. So it has the ruching side detail. I really love the halter neck. I love the bit of back that it was given. I just like the way it just dripped over my curves. It was giving me like, whew, I don't know. But I was living for this dress. I feel like it just dripped over my body so beautifully.
Ethan, I think I'm to be in the shop. If you go look at the camera,
Smiling.
Camera.
The camera's smiling. Your best smile. Ethan, should I take you home tonight? Yeah. Okay. This top is also from Zara. I picked this top up in a size 10 medium. I just thought that it was really cute for the summertime. I love the color. And of course, I had to get this pantsuit that like I'm obsessed with. I've seen it everywhere and it fit me amazingly. I bought both of these pieces in medium. I knew they were gonna look good, but they just looked so good in person. Once again, the pants fit me amazingly. The waist was perfect. And then this cropped blazer, honey, okay, this cropped blazer once again was just giving me all the like rich luxury. This whole look was just black girl luxury for me. So I picked up this dress because I love the detailing around the bust area. I just thought that it accentuated the body like really well, creating like really nice curves that complement like your figure. You know, a nice casual piece that can be dressed both up or down. So you can wear it with some heels to really elevate the look, or you can wear it with some sandals for like a bit of knockabout. So this final piece is from Mango and it's a two-piece set. Like I said, guys, I do have a thing for two-piece sets. I also have a thing for fleece. And this fleece set was giving me everything. The color's just beautiful. It's just oozing, you know, black luxury. This is the vibe I'm going for. And the material feels really, really nice and airy. I just loved the whole look of it and it fit me really well. And I just want to say, like, I did a really good job with this haul. I really picked pieces that just spoke to my spirit, and when they arrived, they were just giving me everything they said they was gonna give, honey. Okay, I'm just giving y'all some angles. Oh, somebody's got a new haircut. Yes, they do. Who that? Me. I cut my hair, guys. Go check out the community tab on my page for more details. So I picked up a couple of accessories. I picked up this cute little bag. This one's also from Mango. I just wanted something like cute and portable for the summertime. And I also picked up these beautiful pair of coral earrings. I just loved like the shape of it. It's nice and unique. You guys know I have an obsession with Mango's jewelry. A lot of my statement pieces are from Mango. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe if somebody gives me free clothes, I might do another haul, but it's not very likely. I don't like to spend like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which like pieces were your favorite, all that good stuff. And yeah, Sarah, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.